Today we are going to discuss the Cambridge Reading Passage Telepathy. First 27 to 30 questions are to complete the sentences with the correct ending. First question is, researchers with differing attitudes towards telepathy agree on, its ending is, A. The significance of the Ganzfeld experiments. वो सभी researchers जिनका telepathy पर different attitudes है, वो सभी Ganzfeld experiments की importance को agree करते हैं. Skeptics and advocates alike do concur matlab agree on one issue, however that the most impressive evidence so far has come from the so-called Ganzfeld experiment. Next question is, reports of experiences during meditation indicated, its ending is, B. The need to create a suitable environment for telepathy. मेडिटेशन के एक्सपीरियंस की रिपोर्ट इंडिकेट करती है कि टेलीपैथी के लिए एक सूटेबल एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करने की ज़रूरत है. Reports of telepathic experiences had by people during meditation led parapsychologists to suspect that telepathy might involve signals passing between people that were so faint that they were usually swamped by normal brain activity. In this case, such signals might be more easily detected by those experiencing meditation, like tranquility in a relaxing whole field of light, sound and warmth. Next question is, attitudes to parapsychology would alter drastically with, its ending is, A. The discovery of a mechanism for telepathy. Telepathy के mechanism की discovery, parapsychology के attitude को बड़े तौर पर बदल देगी. What they are certainly not finding, however, is any change in attitude of mainstream scientists. Most still totally reject the very idea of telepathy. The problem stems at least in part from the lack of any plausible mechanism for telepathy. Physicists have demonstrated entanglement with specially prepared atoms. No one knows if it also exists between atoms making up human minds. Answering such questions would transform parapsychology. Next question is, recent Otto Ganzfeld trials suggest that success rates will improve with, its ending is, F. A more careful selection of subjects. Recent में हुए Otto Ganzfeld trials ने suggest किया कि success rate तब improve होएगी, अगर subjects का carefully selection किया जाए. The future lies not in collecting more evidence for telepathy, but in probing possible mechanisms. Some work has begun already, with researchers trying to identify people who are particularly successful in Otto Ganzfeld trials. Early results show that creative and artistic people do much better than average. In one study at the University of Edinburgh, musicians achieved a hit rate of 56%. Next 31 to 40 questions are to complete the table. This table is about telepathy experiments. First is Ganzfeld Studies 1982. Description is, involved a person acting as a dash who picked up one dash from a random selection of 4, and a dash, who then tried to identify it. In early Ganzfeld experiments, the telepathy test involved identification of a picture chosen from a random selection of 4 taken from a large image bank. The idea was that a person acting as a sender, first answer is, sender, would attempt to beam the image. Next answer is image or picture, over to the receiver relaxing in the sealed room. Next answer is receiver. In next 2 questions we have to tell the flaws, something negative about. Positive results could be produced by factors such as. Here we need to answer कि positive results किस तरह से achieve हो सकता है. There were many other ways of getting positive results. These ranged from sensory leakage, where clues about the pictures accidentally reach the receiver, to outright fraud. So answers are sensory leakage and outright fraud. Next questions are about Otto Ganzfeld Studies 1987. Dash were used for key tasks to limit the amount of dash in carrying out the tests. किसी चीज को लिमिट करने के लिए किसी चीज का यूज किया गया था. After this, many researchers switched to Otto Ganzfeld tests, an automated variant of the technique which used computers to perform many of the key tasks such as the random selection of images. By minimizing human involvement, So first answer is computers and second is human involvement. Next question is about the result. The results were then subjected to a dash. In 1987, results from hundreds of Otto Ganzfeld tests were studied by Hanauten in a meta-analysis, a statistical techniques for finding the overall results from a set of studies. So its answer is meta-analysis. Next two questions are about flaws. The dash between different test results was put down to the fact that sample groups were not dash, as with most Ganzfeld studies. Yet some parapsychologists remain disturbed by the lack of consistency between individual Ganzfeld studies. So first answer is lack of consistency. Defenders of telepathy point out that demanding impressive evidence from every study ignores one basic statistical fact: it takes large samples to detect small effects. If, as current results suggest, telepathy produces hit rates only marginally above the 25% expected by chance, it's unlikely to be detected by a typical Ganzfeld study involving around 40 people. The group is just not big enough. So last answer is big enough or large enough. I hope this video is beneficial to you. If yes, then please like, share and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.